If you have a Tundra that has a leaking fuel injector, I'm going to show you quickly how to repair this. Pull off your air box, get all your hoses out of the way real quickly, and you'll notice a 10mm on the fuel rail there, another 10mm back there on the fuel rail, and this orange clip will slide down to release your fuel line. You get that out of the way and you'll have access to your injectors. Now if you pull this orange plastic clip back, you'll be able to slide this hose down, and if you push down on it, you'll see that's how that removes. Some clips are a little bit stiff, so you'll actually have to pinch on those two yellow prongs on both sides of the plug. You'll have 3 clips, one here, one in the center right there, and then another one on the back. You pry up on that clip to remove the harness for the injectors. Going back together with this, lots of lube, and just be very, very careful as you press this in. It's going to want to pucker, so and that felt like a pretty snug fit in there, like it didn't shear it. Going in with the next one, you also want to coat that with a thin skin of oil with your finger. I just used like a standard motor oil would work. I used power steering oil just because it's what I had available. Before going back with this whole rail, I would advise hooking up your injector clips on each one of your injectors first. Get it close, hook them up, then stick it in. Okay, I got everything put back together, and one thing I do want to mention is you'll want to disconnect your battery post just so you can help clear that check engine light, or another easy way is you can remove this 7.5 amp fuse. It says ECU B1 right there in the middle. That's this little guy right here. That'll clear your check engine light as well. We'll fire this thing up and see how she does. Looks like our lights are off there. And the lights are off. Running good.